Hi, my name's Kent Campbell. Welcome to eHow. I'm going to show you how to add speech bubbles to a YouTube video. It's actually quite simple. Let's take a look. Now, you can see here on YouTube that you have a number of options here at the top. Info and settings, enhancements, and annotations. So click on Annotations because that's really what a speech bubble is. And we'll scroll on down and take a look at this. Click in the upper right, click on Add Annotation. Once you've clicked on that annotation, you're going to have a number of options: speech bubbles, notes, titles, spotlight, labels, and pause. But of course, we're here to talk about the speech bubble. So click on that. Now below the video, you're going to see that there is a timeline. And that timeline is where you're going to be able to place your speech bubble. You can also move it around on screen. These llamas spit and they bite. So we're going to make a little warning here. Hi, I bite. You'll see now that I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'll show you. You can see that the default length of this speech bubble is a little bit too long. So I'm going to shorten that a bit. Okay, yeah, that looks about right. Click play and you can see that there it is and then it goes away. That looks about right, so let's stick with that. Now, whenever you've made a change, you always have to go to the upper right corner and click publish. Otherwise, it's not going to publish. You'll get a verification at the top that you've done so. I'll show you something else. Everybody makes mistakes, except you, of course. And you're going to see here that I've made a mistake and I've added one too many annotations. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to delete that with the little trash button in the upper right-hand corner. Remember that once you've checked everything out, made sure that everything is as you want it, you're going to head into the upper right of your screen and you're going to click publish. Again, you're going to get that verification at the top of your video. This is going to show you that everything's worked out. You can click on view your live video here and see the annotations that you've left. Let's take a look at that, see how that looks. You can see here in the video how the annotation shows up live for everybody on YouTube. It's very, very quick, it's very, very simple, and it's really that easy. Thanks a lot for watching.